Stenbratten's comes to a close.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. We are in Marcia's new apartment.
I'm gonna call Jim and see if it's
And there is a blizzard outside. Can you see the snow? Blizzarding.
so crazy here. It's like the snow is moving sideways because there's so much wind and all these big huge drifts. Pretty fun. I know, everybody's snowed in. Where Marcia's looking out the big windows and it's like having surround sound snow. Because it's like windows on three sides. Amazing, everybody's totally snowed in. O'Hare is closed. Well, it's open, but all the flights have been canceled in and out. Dimitri and Julie are stuck until Monday. Mm-hmm. No, because my flight's tomorrow. They said tomorrow it should be okay. Mm-hmm.
There's my car. My little red car.
I'm sitting here
stuck.
with Marcia, and she's videotaping through the windows. It's ridiculous because as soon as you shovel or snowblow, half an hour later it's totally covered again because of the wind. What is it like there? Are you gonna get snowed in? You might get snowed in. Because it's supposed to end by midnight. You should see. Yeah, you would love it. That's right. Oh my god. Yeah. You can barely see in front of you. I know. It's unreal. I'm wearing a Badger sweatshirt.
You do?
Come on. I'm busy.
And the area continues to get socked with heavy snow and gusting winds. Hello, I'm Don Elkins, and if that weather keeps up, it could top the famed blizzard of 79, which you've forgotten to mention that buried much of Illinois in just about 19 inches of snow. And this is a very popular scene around Chicagoland today. Snowplows desperately trying to clear the streets, only to have their efforts thwarted. Wind gusts as high as 63 miles per hour rolled through the area, whipping snow right back over clear paths. Severe weather caused many spinouts and accidents throughout the area. And like this one in Palatine, with near whiteout conditions everywhere, drivers seem to be losing control on their cars and winding up in ditches. And once again, if you were out early this morning, all of the interstates look pretty much like this shot of the Eisenhower, with blowing snow and treacherous roads. Travel was extremely slow. Thank goodness it is the weekend, so no rush hour traffic, or we might have seen a virtual parking lot. Well, you don't have to
Stay warm.
about how bad it is outside. Police shut down Lakeshore Drive during crashing waves could possibly flood the road.
Did you- It's a nice technique you got there.
It's just incredible. It's blowing snow all over the place, making it difficult to walk, making it difficult to drive. It's just a really awful day to be out. Right now, Chicago's Department of Streets and Sanitation had about 1,000
You know,
workers
these are good for you. They're
blowing
like,
and plowing
well,
the
that's half
streets,
it's good fat.
and crossing them, and also towing illegal cars. But this is the problem is the blowing snow, and when they're out here trying to remove it.
You didn't call in sick today? No, I didn't. Why not? Everybody called in, so they needed me, so I had to come.
We've got to call Mom.
Snowplows are everywhere, and city crews are working around the clock trying to clear the street. But it's a losing battle.
You plow, and the winds just keep on blowing it back and back and back.
At the city snow command center, dispatchers monitor weather conditions.
What do you say about that, Homer?
700 snowplows, salt trucks.
I got $100 waiting at the Hotel Allegro.
Sounds
What
kind
do
of
I do?
for your gig, huh?
What I could do is take my little amp, maybe.
It's down.
Where you going, Dad?
Going to brave the elements. I can barely even feel.
Let's see. Uh-oh, it's piling up. We're gonna be blacked in. Where's my car? I can't even see my car. It's right there. That is my car. Okay, I'm gonna show you how many layers. I've got 1 layer, 2 layer, 3 layer, 4 layer, 5 layer, 6 layer, and then bags, 7 layer.
Get the bags. Got the whole bags.
Gonna go out.
All right, guys.
Hold on.
Hey! You nursemaids! And that's the last we saw of them as they walked into the distance.
Daddy of them all back in 1967, that will go unchallenged at 23 inches. But boy, we came close to second place. Right now, as we stand, there we are in third place.
No shovels. They didn't have any shovels.
What? I called them.
They're all out.
I called them and they said they had shovels.
No more. But we got boots for you. Marsha's starting.
Babe, I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it.
I'm really good at this.
Good. Keep going.
Come on out, down. Come on.
Hey, Bill called. He wants you to call him.
I am the snow goddess. Marsha, you're so loud. I don't know what you're waiting for, though. You can come down any minute now.
I'll come down and relieve you. You should hit the car, too.
Is there another thing?
There might be one on the back porch. Why don't you go look back there?
So what was that again?
Like snow is an exercise in futility. To the experienced Norwegian, it is a science.
A science.
It's the ability to use the force with the leverage. Combine the two, the momentum. It builds up
Yeah, all right, hotshot. Let's put your shovel where your mouth is.
to... Well, you girls were out there. I saw you.
We'll see.
I saw the needles in the
We'll
haystack.
see. Yeah.
All right?
What do the
Capacity. The brain capacity along with the force. And you have literally a devastating combination.
what do the words
Put your shovel.
beer?
Put that shovel in their mouth.
What do the words vlaka do for you? Go drink some beer, babe.
Laka's just one word.
There's some big boots. Really big boots.
These are cool boots.
I just bought them for you. Aren't you happy?
How much were they?
15.
Nice.
Hey!
It's cold!
Go do it!
I'm not gonna do it now.
He's just standing there. He does not know what to do. I told him it was really deep, and it is. He doesn't know how to get that car out of there because it is really deep. Well, my car is totally snowed in. That is my car. It is never gonna get out of there. Okay, what's he doing? It's gonna take him forever.
What is this?
Times Square, babe. You can look up into the MTV offices and walk down Times Square. There's the news.
Maybe we should have gone to Bill's.
Oh, that's Aaliyah?
I am out here at the epicenter of the New Year's Eve celebration with Aaliyah.
Hey.
Man, it is so great to have you here.
Oh, I'm so glad to be here.
It's so cool. It's such an honor to have one of the hottest artists on our network, and now you're playing DJ. So you want to be? We've got something for everyone tonight, but if you're a big fan of Method Man, Carson and Jennifer got something for you right now, guys.
Steady cam. Steady cam dolly move. Look at what you have become. Laying on the ground. Useless. Huh? The shell of the women that you once were. Out battling the snow, and now what do you do?
We want to be having fun and we're not.
What is this? This isn't fun?
No, it's not fun.
You're not, what are you, bored?
It's so boring.
But you got this fine TV to watch.
Can you put on bowling so we could do it?
When does it get any better than that?
We're so cool. We're watching the Mamas and Papas. Saturday night suck. That's Saturday night at 10 o'clock. We totally suck. Is it still snowing?
You guys are on TV.
Look at that guy's stuff. Can you do that?
That's what I do. That's part of my deal.
City crews were working just as quickly to try and clear the streets. That's been tough though, because the strong winds have helped as much as hindered efforts, making for a very long day.
Department of Streets and Sanitation.
You're such a blacker. You're such a total blacker.
Since 3 a.m.
Turn it up, Scott.
They're concentrating on major arteries,
Listen to Dick Daly. What is he saying?
such as those near hospitals, fire stations, and other places.
Bill looks like he
What
just
about
got
our
out
place?
of bed. Now what about our street, Bill? Dick, I mean. Turn
There's
the
the number.
camera up. Dick. I'll turn it off.
Fine. We saw a lot of accidents on our way out here today, and police are urging everyone to stay off the road.
Jesteście pewni, że pociąg jedzie na północ?
Proszę pana, pociąg jedzie na południe do Krakowa.
Kraków. Silence! Cisza! Direction no good. C'est pas bon la route. We go north to Krakow instead of south. Scatter.
Saturday Night Live is over.
Again, we'd like to thank Rock My Ass. Thank you.
Rock my ass.
That's the show you were on. But you don't look like that anymore. Joan Jett's coming back.
What is this, like local TV?
Yeah, Scott was on this cable program. Come rock my ass. But I think he put everybody's ass to sleep.
We're still here.
Oh my god, look at this girl.
Hide from the camera. Camera will kill you.
Is this like local Chicago? Or
Yeah, it was scary.
Come on, focus.
is Saturday Night Live open?
All right.
To the stories behind their songs through CCM Magazine. Call 1-800-468-7.
There's that beautiful vehicle.
Suzanne was a Christian rock.
Vehicle 2.
I think we were sick from school today or something.
There he is, not knowing what to do.
I put this on, I let it sit, and I get my white strap back. It's the only product
The day after, he doesn't know what to do to get my car out.
on the black mill blade. It smells good too.
And don't just keep that indoors. Zap those stubborn stains on your RV and boat. That's unique formula is so concentrated, just one bottle replaces 60.
Look at him, Marsh. Look at him.
To do. He doesn't know what to do because he can't get out. The snow is too deep. Yeah, think about it a little bit, Chumley. There he is, out there helping people, being the Good Samaritan.
If you value the comfort of staying home, Physicians Mutual, we're here when you need us.
Car's really stuck. It's gonna be my car.
Oh, they tried to get out?
Yeah, they tried to get out and they're totally stuck. Scott's like trying to help them out there.
Why are they even trying?
For the most complete winter storm coverage around Chicagoland, around the clock, you can count on the CLTV weather team to be there for you.
While battling a 4-alarm blaze difficult for firefighters, the Sunday morning fire erupted in a house in the 2900 block of North Ridgeway on Chicago's northwest side. It quickly spread to 2 other fire
How's the coffee?
A fire department staffer says 4
Let's see.
members of the
Let me have a
same
taste.
were injured. None are believed
It's on
to
the
be in
table.
serious condition.
Where?
The blaze is still under investigation.
Coffee.
Chicago firefighters were putting out flames.
Scott's telling him what to do.
One-story complex took firefighters a little longer to
But like, I don't understand why they're even trying because there's nowhere to go.
Scott's doing a good job of watching. Telling people what to do. Looks like they're gonna push that car right back into the spot.
Are they?
Yeah, I think so.
You should watch them push it. Just send somebody call the city.
Because it's Sunday.
But the plows are out.
Who's gonna be answering? So why don't you call it for me?
Where's your phone book?
Just call 411.
Do do do, deep boo doo dee, deep boo dee, deep boo ah dee, boo eh boo doo ah, boo eh boo doo ah, sweet boo doo day boo doo ah. Ah. I was up in Wisconsin in '67.
When you shoveled the snow, it came to about right here.
Oh man.
This is not bad. This is not bad at all, but it's just still messy. Oh, it's not down here. I think he's stuck down there too.
Where you going? Where are you going?
Waiting for Bill. We're gonna go out to breakfast for his birthday with my mom and Dimitri and Julie and Dodie and his girlfriend Liz. That's what I'm doing. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Come on! I just made the bed.
That is an amazing display of pillowology. That's such an arrangement.
It's great. See, notice how the two here give a nice little equilibrium between the color palette of the others. And as you move down this color palette onto this textural, there's kind of a balance between the texturals and palettes. My butt. What are you doing? You're embarrassing me.
Any luck?
Yeah,
So United?
No, this is a news article. You like it on?
Nope, not right now. You can leave it up. Brr! Oh, girl's back out. She's going for it. I helped try to push this woman earlier this morning. And now, can she do it? There she goes. And she's up. No, she's doing it. Back now. She's going back. Now she's yeah, she's getting some momentum going, and now she's stuck. Wow, what a nightmare. Yeah, she's going nowhere, old girl. That's where she'll end up, right between the Maestro Mobile and the Snapper. See what's happening in the reader. But that guy. Hey, maybe we should try to go see Buddy Guy. Wow, look at that ad for the elbow swimmer. Bastards. There it is. Guitar evolutionist, acclaimed by the Chicago Sun-Times. Acclaimed. The sisters. And Billy Boy. The birthday man.
The birthday
You're
boy.
a B. Badass hat of yours. Man, you are
That
bad.
is such a two-pack hat. That is so two-pack.
It's my skull cap.
Let's get a shot of you three. Video. Video shot. Yay! Video shot.
Happy New Year. Happy 99. Happy 30th. Oh, she kissed me. Now you've got lipstick. All right, let's go.
See you, Scotty.
Okay, guys.
Oh, Bill, do you want to open your
Billy from up top.
Hey. It's winter wonderland out there.
Boopity. Tony, have a safe trip. Give her a little face wash, Billy. She didn't get a shower today. And they embark onto the tundra. The arduous journey begins. Look out! Steep.
And then a hallway that went into my bedroom and my bathroom. This was the front door. It was great. This little divan that it was gigantic. Oh, this is the hallway back into the other room. It was so nice. This is part of the hurricane recreation. So in Cuernavaca, we shot two things. You don't see it here. One was the plant, the U.S. filter plant. It's boring. U.S. filtered plant. You know, when you put on pesos, which is like more money than to kind of trash their homes and to trash their front lawn, essentially.
Damn, amazing.
Yeah, mine was a little crazy. Mine, get this, it starts charging. And I was like, whoa! I was kind of scared because it was charging. He like jumped up and was on the back of my horse in a heartbeat. I was like, behind me. He was running as fast as this horse. He was running while he was trying to take the horse back while he was still on his feet. Couldn't do it, and then just went and jumped on the back of my horse.
Rescued you.
And rescued me. Unfucking believable. It was unbelievable.
That's funny.
Just asked me for the 200 pesos afterwards. It was great.
How was your story, doll?
It's good. Bill doesn't care about my stories. I think I get too into them.
Baby, kind of a little long-winded.
I get a little long-winded. And then.
By long world, it's 27-23. The 49ers have all three of their timeouts.
Oh, Big D, Big D. Less than 2 minutes left, and the Pack just took the lead by 4. A minute 56. San Fran has their timeouts. All their timeouts left. Everything's gonna be all right. Man. God. Big D! Damn it! Now. Shit! Pick it fucking off! damn it! Come on now!
Talked about. 2 timeouts remaining for San Francisco, but they have to get it into the end zone. And they still.
Big D now! Big D! Come on, Reggie! Good D, good D!
Again, what the Packers are doing is they're making him throw into coverage because they're rushing him with 3 guys, just a 3-man line, and they're playing 8 off. So if they're going to do it, they're going to have to throw into coverage, and they just want...
Fucking young!
You look around the stadium and there is... No one has departed. You have to check...
Pick it off now! Pick it! Get in! Get in! Oh, good! Stadium bounce! Too bad! No! 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 Fuck! Fuck! God! Damn it! Fucker! God! Damn it! Oh, shit! Fuck! God damn it! Fuck!
You are a freak.
Oh, shit!
You are such a freak.
Fuck! God! Damn! 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 Fuck! Shit! Fuck! No!
You are such a freak from hell.
Oh no! No! Fuck! Oh shit! Oh fucker! God damn it! Oh fuck!
You are a freak.
Oh man!
You are a freak.
Rieger had Bet's heart, but Aaron still controlled her career. And his next goal was to make Bet a movie star. He waited years for the perfect role to come. Bet starred in Footloose, the emotional story of a talented but self-destructive...
Dolly, you're cleaning. Don't you want to get it on film? I have recovered from the tragedy. Wasn't meant to be this year. But we will be back next year.
In real life, Bet's father never saw his daughter perform live.
I don't want you to come. Kill me, it's too much trouble.
What are you doing? You look like a dork.
But what had become an emotionally draining ordeal for Bet did not end with the movie. Mother Ruth passed away just 2 months before Bet's big screen debut.
Have I seen all that I could? Have I seen more?
Writing.
Just read Peter, the camera AC, sent me a note just from Mexico saying thank you for working, and I'm just sending him a note back.
So do you have to wear your special war paint when you do that?
Oh, come on. Come on. Come on.
Day 3. Actually, day 2. If you don't include the actual blizzard day.